Back to my YouTube channel. I went to go shoot a video on how to wind a bobbin on a Kenmore 148.1204, and my bobbin winder was giving me some issues. So this video is to cover issues that you would have when you go to wind your bobbin. Okay, if you start having problems with your bobbin winder not winding a bobbin, you click this down and you push this down. Now this one is being fickle on me. See, right now it's not doing anything. So, I've got two things I need to check on this. I need to take this off. This is called your bobbin tire. It comes off just like that, okay? New tire, and it just slides on just like that, okay? Now when you set it down, you should be able to see how that tire moves and this is moving. If it does not do that, which I'm having problems with this one not doing that, you just take and you wiggle this. Sometimes it gets out of alignment, okay? And then you try it again and see what happens. Mine's working right now, but when it quit doing it a while ago, I actually had to wiggle this in order to get it to line up with the hand wheel here. Once it lines up with the hand wheel, it should rotate. This one I have had to change this bobbin winder on, and I think I'm going to have to do it again. But anyway, that's how you fix it if you start having issues with it. For more videos coming up here and here. See you next time, guys.